I've already done my skincare. I've cleansed, I moisturized. I have my sunscreen. Get ready to put that on there. My sunscreen is by Nivea. So that's what I didn't put on. And I'm going to apply the brightening eye cream around my eyes. Get my eyes moisturized. Get it ready for my concealer. Because after all, I'm going on date night with the hubby. My husband, he tells me, oh, you are so beautiful. I have a beautiful wife, but you're not feeling that way. You see all the imperfections. I see that I'm getting older. I see the fine lines and wrinkles. And I'm gonna try this new, well, I've used it a couple of times, but I really like this new Maybelline Perfected 4-in-1. Okay, when I first applied it on, it felt a little weird at first, but let me put my Milk Pore Definer. I love this because it doesn't dry my skin up, but it covers these pores right in this area. I like that. And if I have any up here, like any fine lines I need to cover, I do that around this area. Just add a little bit. I need to get the bigger stick. I purchased the smaller one just to make sure it works first, to see if I like it. But I do, it's called the Milk Blur Stick, and I really do like it a lot. I like the way it covers. So now, twist this up, this Age Rewind Foundation Perfecta Glow Makeup. And I just apply it like regular. Twist it up though to make sure I get some out. And this is the shade. And I like it so far. So far, you know, from what I tried that first day, I really like it. I was going to review it, but I just changed my mind and said I'd do a get ready with me using it. I really think this is a good shade. I think they come in like 3 or 4 shades, which isn't enough to me. I think it's like, this is number 2, and I purchased number 3 as well, which is a little deeper, but just for 4 deep shades really doesn't seem like enough. There's a weird feel on it to my skin. At first it felt tingly, and it still does. It has like a tingle to it. I don't know, maybe because of the glow, and it's a perfecting blur, primer, concealer, highlighter, all of that in one. So maybe that's why it primes too. But I do like it. I never take any foundation all the way up, and I'm using the Mophe makeup brush. And then I take a damp beauty sponge and just kind of tap off the excess, whatever just laying there on my skin, and then absorb into the skin. Time to do these eyebrows. You guys see me do these 1,000 times. I think I'm gonna use this little one from Viseart and just kind of then I'm taking that Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil and the Pro Pencil by Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow. It says the eyeshadow primer and corrector. To clean it up. Now I'm going to use the number 3. It's like the contour. And I think this is a good shade for that. Some age rewind, but it's not the one that I like. And it says medium. Usually I use Golden Door, but we'll use medium today. A little bit here, here, here. Okay, so now I'm going to do what I usually do with my setting spray. Little trick. And I'll show you. I'll link it up here. The little video I did about this. This works and it helps with your concealer not creasing at all. Take a little bit of setting spray and dab it onto this area. Let this dry. I mean, and it really does work. Let it dry. It has dried completely, this area. Come back with some setting powder, and I like the one from Charlotte Tilbury, and I like one from Pat McGrath. I use those two. But today we're gonna use some Charlotte Tilbury. Now I did purchase this NARS palette, blush palette that I want to use, and I haven't used this at all. So I think I'm going to start off with this. I'm just doing these two. Hint of peach, hint of peach. I like that. Really nice. Really nice, nice. And always, if you put too much of something on, you can always tone it down with powder, which I probably will do in a few. But I think I'm going to use this bronze, Natasha Bronze and Glow palette just for my highlight. And I'm using this one. Here it is. Just a little mini palette, and I like it. Body Graphics and Rosewood. Number 11 from Milani. I love this.